Hi friends, why some people fear about artificial intelligence and some are more excited about AI? If we see the differences between a software application and artificial intelligence from the theoretical perspective, or I can say philosophical perspective, then we will understand what's happening in AI over conventional software. Friends, before that, I would like to request everyone, please do subscribe our channel. Scitechwiz is our new channel. We talk about science and technology. Please do like our videos and express your opinions in the comments section. And now, let us understand the concept with an analogy. Okay, I compare the artificial intelligence with a growing kid and conventional software with a machine. If you are seeing the screen, left hand side, we kept the symbol of artificial intelligence and a kid. Right hand side, you can see a conventional software, that's a program, and a coffee, a machine. Okay, and now if you have a kid, imagine him or her, or if you don't have any kid, imagine your childhood days. Okay, now we are seeing many machines around us, right? Refrigerator, washing machine, television, radio, mobile phone, and whatnot. The machine behavior is in the hands of the maker. That is the fundamental. For example, take television. Television makers, they give us a remote control. If you click the volume button to increase the volume, it increases. If you want to decrease the volume, just press the button, it decreases the volume. If you want to press mute, just mute it to mute the volume. And if you want to define how some buttons behave, yes, you can configure your remote. Go to settings and you can change the brightness or change the bass. You can change the visual to cinema effect or a plain format, whatever you want, you can do that. But remember, the creator or maker of the television and the remote, they defined it. They defined the functionality. That's it. The machine behaves accordingly. Okay? And now come to a child, a kid. Yeah, we are saying that, yes, I'm the mother of the kid, I'm the father of the kid. Okay, agreed. You are the creator of your kid with your own genes, 23 chromosomes of a man and 23 chromosomes of a woman. You are the creator of him. But does the kid behave, think, take decisions based on creator's inputs? No, never. A parent may be thinking that, yeah, I am telling him what's good, what's bad, how to behave, how to think, what to believe, how to believe. But does that really happen in the real world? No, never. Why? Why? Here comes the fact. Although you are the creator of your kid, you are not the only source of data to your kid. Kid goes to school. Teachers feed him with data, good, bad, beliefs, logic. Kid has friends in his school. Friends have their own parents. So whatever their parents are feeding them, directly or indirectly, they feed the data to your kid, right? And for example, you take your kid to a grocery store. What will you do there? You are concentrating on what to buy, the price of a product. Are there big queue lines at the counter? So, these are all you are doing. Do you guess what your kid is looking at? Do you know what your kid is thinking in a grocery store? You can't guess. He might look at the signboards, reading a flyer, listening others' conversation. You can't guess. But he is constantly getting the data, right? When he is growing in parallel, he is getting data from movies, television shows, media, newspapers, social media, neighbors. When he enters the college, he gets the data from new friends. So, he is constantly getting the data from various sources to his brain, and his brain is constantly processing the data. Even the creators, that is, parents, they don't know what the data is a kid getting and what kind of processing happening in his brain. So the kids thinking, kids behavior, kids decision making power, kids emotions, these are not completely in the hands of the creator. This is how human progress is achieved and or the destruction. And compare now. Okay, come to artificial intelligence versus conventional software. The same difference I see between a kid and a machine. Okay, uh, the software, it has SDLC, software development life cycle. Gather requirements, write a requirement document in the format of BRD or user stories. Architect, he draws HLD or LLD. Developers, they do the coding. Tester, he tests. And next UAT. These are all happening in the software development life cycle. In each and every phase, the philosophy is software should work based on the maker's expectation, right? If not, if the software is not behaving as per the maker's expectation, what happens? There is a defect or there is a change request. Software should be in the control of the maker. For example, Netflix. Take the example of Netflix. A user ID. If user enters a user ID, there should be a requirement. What is the length of the user ID? How the user ID should be? What are the allowable characters? For example, a password. What is the requirement? If he enters a wrong password, how the system should behave? These are all requirements. So software, the conventional software, it works in a specific boundary. The expectation is in a specific boundary. The so-called software applications, apps, they take the decisions based on the feed in terms of requirements. Whereas artificial intelligence, it gets the data constantly from various sources and it processes the information and it comes to a decision. AI, again, imagine a growing kid. Okay, I tell you an example. Who is the number one actor in Hollywood? How do you answer this question? If you want to get the answer through a software application, if the name of Leonardo DiCaprio is fed to the software application by the creator, it gives the same output. This is just like a machine example. Okay, a TV, whatever I gave an example, just try to correlate with it. If you ask the same question to a teenager, who is the number one actor in Hollywood? Can you predict how his brain is processing to give the answer? No. The answer is unpredictable because even the creator of the kid doesn't know what the kid answers. Let us suppose the kid's answer is Tom Cruise today. He might change his answer tomorrow to Brad Pitt. That is based on other inputs from his friends. The same with artificial intelligence. For a particular question, AI, artificial intelligence, might answer ABC today. You ask a question, the answer is ABC today. Tomorrow morning, you pose the same question to AI. It might answer PQR. Why? What happened overnight? It got information from other sources and AI processed it, analyzed it, and came to the latest conclusion. So, AI evolves and it keeps on evolving forever. So, how does it behave? Do you think it is in the hands of the creators? No, not at all. If artificial intelligence is used for the progress, human progress will be accelerated. It acts as a catalyst for human progress. That is what I believe. If artificial intelligence is used for destruction, you can imagine what happens. The same, if a kid is growing in a progressive manner, he is helpful to the society. If kid enters or if he chooses a wrong path, what happens to his life or to the society? The same with AI. Okay, so this is the difference between a conventional software and artificial intelligence. This is the philosophy that I wanna bring it out. So next, what is the difference between Google search and artificial intelligence? How Google search works, how artificial intelligence works, AI works. We will see it in the upcoming videos. So, friends, again, I am requesting you, repetitively, I am requesting you, please do subscribe to our channel, Scitechwiz. Please do like our videos. Please express your opinions in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks a lot.